It started out in springtime against the golden skyline. You spoke to me at last. It started out intensely, and with it all, my senses I knew. I'm sure I knew the only reason God gave me eyes was to see you. The only reason God gave me ears was to hear your voice say I will love.
Sou muito orgulhoso de você, tá, moleque? Seu pai foi muito chato com você da vida, mas era pra você aprender a enfrentar as dificuldades do mundo. Entendeu?
Você me preocupa quanto a isso.
Te amo demais.
We shared our dreams, endeavors, and many things we never could tell us so before. I saw you smile through the tears that fell to the floor. And sure I knew the only reason God gave me hands was to hold you. And He finally tuned the drums of my ears just to hear your voice say I will love. I will always love you. And when the wind gets cold, I'll build a fire to warm your hands. I'll wrap my arms around you, and I won't let shadows scare you in the stillness of the night. I'll be the cooling voice that tells you everything's alright. And when darkness tries to drag you down, there will be a light. And no wind and no storm and no hatred can hide it. I'll help you find it, and I will always love you. And when the wind